Hello everyone, welcome to Republic Polytechnic School of Engineering. I'm Mr. So Lai Sing, the director of the school. In this presentation, I'll be sharing with you two key points. First, why you should consider studying engineering. And if you do decide to study engineering, why should you consider pursuing this diploma at Republic Polytechnic? Now, let me get started by first asking all of you, what are your considerations when deciding the course to study and the career to pursue? Are you looking at all these different points stated here? Is it about having a stable career with attractive salary? Is it about achieving or acquiring the necessary skills needed for the future of work? Or is it about, working on exciting, high-tech kind of work, breaking new fronts to support the development of mankind? Or is it that you want to make people happier, make lives better for everyone? Or you could be also looking at having good friends to study and work together with. Now, let me go through with you point by point to explain why, if you choose to study engineering, you can achieve all these different considerations. The first point is about a stable career with attractive salary. Let me share with you this article that was posted on the Straits Times in 2016, where our then Deputy Prime Minister, Mr. Teo Chee Hean, mentioned this. And he actually said that the government is going to do this. Okay? They are going to pay engineers higher salary and provide them with a more or better structured career pathway. This is really for the intention of drawing and keeping the talent within the sector and particularly contributing to Singapore's economy. So the government has already decided that way back in 2016, they want to do this and they want to keep engineering talents within the government sector, the private sector, and naturally the private sector will also do likewise to be able to keep the talents with them. Now, what can you expect to be earning if you were to graduate with a diploma in engineering? Shown here is the latest graduate employment survey results, all the way for the last 3 years from 2019 to 2020 to 2021. I'd like to draw your attention to the engineering cluster as well as the built environment cluster, because these are the two clusters that our courses actually offered will cover. Okay? Now, if you are in built environment or engineering, you can really see, be it whether you are fresh grads, meaning you just came out from poly, or you are post-NS graduates, meaning you have completed NS and then you started to look for jobs. The salaries are all among the highest among all the different clusters that you see here. And if you put everything together, average all of them up, engineering is still a very highly paid career that you can consider. I think among the highest, if you were to really compare among all the different clusters, you probably see that information and digital technology, this is one of the highest at this moment, and you all know IT is really very hot, but engineering is not really very far behind. In fact, just $1,000 behind ICT. Okay, and you may also have seen health sciences is very high, right, at about 2,650. And that's really because, if you go into nursing, okay, nursing is under health sciences, which is why this cluster is also relatively higher as compared to the other clusters. Now, if you were to continue working in engineering, you continue to work in the respective sectors that you are in. This is what you can expect to be earning after, say 5 to 10 years. Okay, shown here, and this is published in 2019, are the top 10 highest paying jobs for diploma holders. Okay, diploma holders. And these are the different areas from marketing to tech and so on. And let me emphasize to you, engineering, after 4 to 5 years, you can really expect to be earning, say, between $6,000 to $9,000. Construction, also very respectable kind of salary. And of course, logistics, supply chain management. Again, after a few years, 4 to 8 years, you can expect to be earning between $4,000 to $8,000. Okay? And for those of you who choose to pursue a degree, after you have graduated from Polytechnic, subsequently, after you graduate with a degree, this is the kind of salary that you can be expecting to draw if you work as an engineer or in the built environment sector. Again, you can see it is really among the highest among all the different sectors or clusters. Okay, you probably see some of the very specialized clusters drawing very high salary. For instance, maybe dentistry is higher, law is higher, and so on. That's really because they are in a very specialized area. But other than that, you can see engineering is actually among the highest among all the various clusters that you can see here. Okay, now the next point, if you are looking at acquiring the kind of skills that is needed for the future of work to help you sustain a very long-term career, again, let me explain to you why engineering will be able to help you achieve that. Okay, published by the World Economic Forum, this is the list of top 10 skills that is required by 2025. So listed here are all the different skills from analytical thinking to innovation, active learning, complex problem solving, creativity, so on and so forth. Many of the different kinds of skills that are needed. And in fact, pursuing an education in engineering will definitely help you acquire all this. Why do I say that? Now let me explain to you through an example here where we have a group of our staff and students participating in this competition called the Shell Eco Marathon 2017. Okay, this is actually the first cohort of students from our Diploma in Engineering Systems and Management. Okay, at that time when they joined the diploma, RP decided to participate in this competition, the Shell Eco Marathon competition, where they are supposed to build eco-friendly car and then go on the circuit and see whether the car can complete the whole circuit. Okay, what our students and staff did is that, through their passion, through their interest, their innovation, and so on and so forth, even though they don't have prior knowledge about building and putting together cars, they use whatever knowledge and skills that they have. Okay, they use things like a bike engine, motorcycle wheels, and so on to put together this very simple vehicle to participate in this competition. I must say that we didn't do very well. In fact, our vehicle couldn't pass all the technical specifications. The car didn't get to go on track to complete the whole circuit. But we didn't give up. We really didn't give up. In the following year, we participated again. This time you see a brand new design, right? Very different, much better. And we competed against more than 120 teams from all over Asia, including all the different universities. And this time, again, unfortunately, we didn't get to pass all the technical specifications, and we didn't complete the whole circuit. However, again, we didn't give up. We continue to improve on our design. We continue to participate in the competition. In 2019, okay, in the third time that we participated, we have a complete new interior design. Okay, and we actually became one of 2 teams from Singapore to pass all the technical and safety inspection to go on track. And we are in fact the only non-university team to achieve this. So really, what are the characteristics and ingredients needed to be a successful engineer? You need to be creative, you need to be innovative, you have to think out of the box, be a problem solver, and of course, you have to be resilient with the never give up kind of spirit. So with all this kind of training that you'll be going through, I'm very sure that you will be able to acquire all these top 10 skills that is needed for the future of work. Okay, next, if you're looking at, doing very exciting, high-tech kind of work where you break new fronts, and you support the advancement of mankind, make people happier, make lives better, again, engineering is definitely something you should consider. Now, in this article that was published in 2019, our Deputy Prime Minister, Mr. Heng Swee Keat, actually said this: engineers have been instrumental in Singapore's security and success and will continue to play a key role in the future economy, developing solutions which can be exported to the world. Okay, and more engineers will be needed to design and implement innovative solutions to increasingly complex challenges. So really, you can be expecting to do all this exciting work as Singapore's economy continues to transform and we continue to grow. And these are the things that you can be expecting to be doing. Very high-tech, kind of automation, robotics work. You could be using technologies like augmented reality, virtual reality, and so on and so forth, drones, and then using, computer to control, things in various kind of operations, from airport operations to logistics operations, and so on and so forth. And if you are looking to have good friends and company to work and study with, engineering is definitely something that you can look forward to, and it will help you achieve that. And why do I say that? Because in RP, our students have a lot of opportunities to work closely with their course mates, with their classmates, under the guidance of their lecturers. Our students do that all the time for all their modules, all their lessons, and in fact, there are a lot of opportunities for them to even interact with the industry practitioners and professionals. We are very happy to share that actually many of our students have made very good friends during their time in RP. Some of them even find their life partners during their time in RP and get married, after they have graduated. Yeah. So yes, if you are considering all these different points when deciding what course to study and the career to pursue, definitely engineering can help you achieve all this. Now, if you have already decided, you have more or less decided that you want to study engineering, then let me share with you why you should consider coming to RP School of Engineering. Now, the first thing is our pedagogy, which is problem-based learning. Typically, all our classes are conducted in small group sizes. Okay, we don't have big lectures and tutorials. You will have very deep, engaging lessons that is conducted under the guidance of a lecturer, and then you work closely in teams with your classmates, which is what we call collaborative learning. And through this, you will really learn together with your peers, you construct your knowledge and solve real-world industry-relevant kind of problems. Okay, this is the kind of skills that will help you build. And along the way, we will assess you very holistically. We don't just give you one major exam and then we decide the grade that you will get. There will be many different milestone assessments that we will have and will conduct to help you along the way to achieve the kind of grades that you hope to achieve. Secondly, we will certainly bring you out of the campus. Your learning here will not just be confined to the classroom. Okay, there will be many opportunities where we'll bring you out to industry sites, to the various companies to really see the kind of operations or the kind of issues that they face in the industry, and then the practitioners, the professionals will share with you, the kind of problems, challenges they face, and you look at how they actually work within the constraints, the resource limitations that they have to overcome all these challenges. Okay, and you'll be able to learn all these very industry relevant kind of knowledge and skills. And of course, we will bring you out of Singapore. We conduct many overseas trips for students every year. Each time during our vacation, we bring them to various countries, from Australia, Hong Kong to Japan, China, Taiwan, and many more. Certainly, all of you can look forward to going on such learning trips where we'll bring you to overseas companies or universities and actually have interactions and learn from them. Overseas internships is also something you can look forward to. All RP students during their final year are required to go for 1 semester of internship, and this can be done locally or overseas. So a portion of our students will have the opportunity to go overseas for internship, and this is really for 1 whole semester, which is easily 5 to 6 months. And our students have been going to various countries ranging from Indonesia, Myanmar, Thailand, even China, and so on. Yeah. So certainly you can look forward to such opportunities as well. Next, in RP School of Engineering, you can also look forward to really using or enjoying state-of-the-art facilities to help you in learning. We provide all these experiential learning opportunities for you to really help build or learn the kind of skills that you need. Shown here is what we call the ARCH, which consists of both air transport and land transport kind of training facilities. So you can see like hangar, you can see like a virtual aerodrome, simulator, and then we have aircraft, of course, and then we have land transport kind of facilities ranging from electric vehicles to our eco car that you do for your projects as well. And of course, we have also facilities supporting our operations management and supply chain management type of courses, where we have a huge supply chain innovation lab, and we also have joint labs with different industry partners like ST Logistics, PSA, and so on. And we have facilities supporting the other courses as well in the area of built environment, in the area of automation, robotics, and land transport, as well as electronic. And of course, we'll bring all our industry partners to you. These are just some of the examples. We have many different industry partners that we work closely with, and certainly you have the opportunity to do industry final year projects with them or do internship with them. And more recently, we have also rolled out short job stints that you can embark with our industry partners during your holiday period even. Now, with all this, our objective is really to help all of you build this SEG CAN spirit, C-A-N, which stands for confident, adaptable, and with the never give up spirit. Next, I'd like to share with you some of the achievements by our students which we are very proud of. First up is WorldSkills Singapore 2020. Now, WorldSkills is a competition very similar to the Youth Olympic of Skills. Why I say Youth Olympics, that's because there is an age limit to it, and all the competitors from all over the world will actually come together and participate in different skills area to become the best in this respective skills area. Now, in the area of information network cabling, our students from the Diploma in Electrical and Electronic Engineering did very well to actually win the gold and the bronze medal. And then in the skills area of rapid transit systems, our student from the Diploma in Engineering Systems and Management also did very well to clinch the gold medal. In the 2021 edition, again our students did well, this time in the skills area of information network cabling and in digital construction. They won both the silver medal. The next achievement that I'd like to share with you is this International Building Design Competition 2021, where our students from the Diploma in Sustainable Built Environment participated in. In fact, they did so well. Their design actually convinced all the judges, and they beat all the participants from various universities from not just Singapore, but also regionally, and they came up as the first prize, winning a total of $10,000. And this next competition is the Lee Hsien Loong Interactive Digital Smart Media Nation Award. In fact, our students participated in this every year, and they did very well. In 2020 and 2021, they were one of the teams to win this award. Now, I'd like to now move on to share with you 3 specific examples of how well our alumni has done after they have graduated from RP. We hope all of you if you were to join us, you will be as successful as all of them in time to come. The first example I'd like to share with you is Mr. Nazir Khan, who graduated from the Diploma in Industrial and Operations Management in 2008. After graduating from RP, Nazir actually joined a local logistics firm, and then he took on a part-time degree in 2012. He subsequently joined DHL Supply Chain, as an ops supervisor in warehouse operations. And then in 2019, he was posted to DHL Supply Chain Malaysia as a senior manager in business development. So he has been progressing very well over the years. And in 2021, he was posted back to Singapore, DHL Singapore, as general manager in charge of key account management. So you can see from this example, Nazir has done very well, climbing the corporate ladder, progressing very well, after he has graduated from RP. Another example, this is particularly for those who are interested in entrepreneurship. I'd like to share with you this alumni called Loh Jun Yong. Jun Yong, in fact, graduated from the Diploma in Supply Chain Management with merit, meaning he's among the top 10% of the graduating cohort. And he actually graduated with a gold medal, meaning to say actually he was the top student in his course when he graduated. So Jun Yong all along has very keen interest in entrepreneurship. So after he graduated from RP, he started up this company. He founded this company together with his coursemate Amanda. This company is called Combined Cell, which is a software company that aggregates popular online marketplaces into one single platform. So he has helped many small and medium enterprises do that. And his co-founder Amanda, in fact, in 2018, she was also still studying at the Singapore University of Social Sciences at that time. And she won this National Youth Entrepreneurship Award 2018 under the university category. So I'm also pleased to share with you that actually Combined Cell was acquired by another company, a fast-growing e-commerce company in 2019, and both Jun Yong and Amanda is today multi-millionaires. So we are very happy with their achievements. The last example that I'd like to share with you is Dr. Li Yue, who graduated from the Diploma in Biomedical Electronics with merit in 2012. This diploma is now known as the Diploma in Electrical and Electronic Engineering. And so he similarly graduated with a gold medal, meaning to say he was actually the top student of the cohort when he graduated. So after graduating from RP, he went on to NTU to study Electrical and Electronic Engineering, and he graduated with first-class honors in 2015. And he subsequently went on to continue to pursue a PhD, and he successfully completed it in 2020. And now his research interest is in the area of artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, signal processing, and so on. And he's currently a director in this company called AIH Private Limited. So doing very well. So really, we share with you all these examples to let you be confident that you certainly will be able to transform yourself and achieve all this like what all our alumni has achieved. Now, let me just quickly go through with you the various diploma programs that we offer here at Republic Polytechnic School of Engineering. I won't go into the details. If you're interested, you are most welcome to actually go to our website and to look into the course structure as well as the career prospects of the various courses. But these are the 8 different diploma programs that we offer. First, in the area of aerospace and aviation, we have the Diploma in Aerospace Engineering and the Diploma in Aviation Management. And then in the area of electronics and automation, we have the Diploma in Electrical and Electronic Engineering, which has three different specialization tracks in microelectronic, in aerospace avionics, or rather aerospace electronics, and communications. And then we have the Diploma in Engineering Systems and Management. Under Operations and Supply Chain, we have the Diploma in Industrial and Operations Management, as well as a Diploma in Supply Chain Management. And we also have this Diploma in Engineering with Business, which is a bit different from the previous diplomas that you have seen. Basically, it combines engineering with business. So if you are into entrepreneurship, this is the diploma that you should consider. And if you are into sustainability, building and so on, right? This is the diploma that you should consider, the Diploma in Sustainable Built Environment. Now, if you are not too sure which specific diploma program to pursue, then please consider this Common Engineering program, which is essentially just a one-semester program where you will take a common set of modules like all the other engineering students. And during this first semester, you will learn more about the various diploma programs that we offer. And from there, you'll be able to make a decision on which specific course that you want to pursue after semester 1. And then we'll post you to one of the respective diplomas based on your results and your interests. Now, let me end by sharing with you this last article that was posted on the Straits Times in 2020, where they interviewed Dr. Cham Tao Soon, the founding president of Nanyang Technological University. And Dr. Cham actually made a very bold prediction in this interview. He said, one day, everyone will need to attend Polytechnic before entering university. This is really a very bold prediction. I don't know if it will really happen, but he actually made this very bold prediction. And he added this, he said that computers are getting more and more intelligent, and it is difficult for us human beings to be better than computers. And what is really needed are skills. Okay, he didn't just mean manual skills. He meant skills to be able to solve problems, and he believes that polytechnics are the best place to acquire these skills. In fact, many parents ask him, to advise their children what they should study. And his advice to them is really this. If your child has no preference, his advice is to study engineering. It's the most flexible. People from all walks of life are engineers by training, and many of them may not even work as engineers. But engineering teaches them how to solve problems. And life is nothing but solving problems. With that, I thank you for your attention, and we are looking forward to welcoming all of you to the RP School of Engineering family, where we'll help you build a strong foundation you need for a fulfilling and rewarding engineering career. Thank you.